Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, April the 15th. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of Tesla here. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see the rally here is impulsive. We have 1, 2 in red, and then currently we are within the wave 3. And as you can see, in the wave 3 subdivides into another 5 waves. So we have extension here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now looking for a wave 5 that should be ending with 3 afterwards, and then after that we're gonna have a wave 4 in red, followed by more upside in the wave 5. Okay, so all in all, we do like more upside. The right side is up in the shorter cycle. As long as we stay above 532.9, we are expecting continuation higher in Tesla. So that should be pretty straightforward. Now if we zoom out, looking at the 4-hour chart, we notice here that this is the sell-off after the COVID-19 incident, right? After it tops out here in the February 5th. If you measure this as a double correction or double 3, so from here we got 1, 2, 3, for example, you notice here that this one actually hit the 100% nicely, right? It hits the 100% nicely in 7 swing. So we got 1, 2, 3. All right, this is your correction, and then you got another 1, 2, 3 again. So it's a 7 swing, right? It's a 7 swing, and it hits the 100%. Right, the sell-off itself was pretty huge, but then the rally is also equally very huge before. So 967 all the way to 353, so more than 50% correction from the all-time high. And now you can see in the rally has started to rally very aggressively from this low, and the rally is looking impulsive now, right? The rally is looking impulsive. So if I have to put it here, so we have this 1 and 2 here, right? This is our 1 and 2. So you have two choices here. This is either A, B, C, or this could be a new pulley cycle. Let's say this could be a 1, 2, 3, right? So you have only two choices. Either this is a 1 or this is an A. All right, and this is a 2 or a B, right? So now if we measure using the extension from this low in March 19, right? So let me move. This is 1 and 2 in black here. This is your 1 and 2 right here in the 4-hour chart, just to make it clear. And this is your 3 and 4. And so now we are looking to finish 5 of 3, just like the 1-hour chart here is showing. So now we are in the process of ending 5 of 3, and then it's going to continue higher. Now first of all, let's check out some of the extension here. Now let's focus on this one first, which is this 1, 2, 3. Now you notice here clearly we have separation over here, quite impulsive separation. If you just measure using extension, now we got more than 1.618 extension separation. So that is suggesting that that one likely is a wave 3. So you got 1, 2, and then separation. So this nest here looks pretty looks like the best fit right now, with separation right here like a wave 3. So this 1, 2, 3, and this is a 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's a nest. So then you got this 5 ways up all the way from here, from April the 3rd. Now it's either doing an ABC or doing 1, 2, 3. But it looks like we need to have a 5 ways up from here, and then later the market is going to decide whether this is simply just a correction on the decline from the COVID-19, or this rally is a new bullish cycle. right? The market is going to decide. Now, so this is either wave 3 or wave C, right? Now, if this is a wave 3, then you're gonna continue to go higher. You have a wave 4, wave 5, and then eventually it's gonna break to new high. If this is only ABC, then we're gonna be reversing lower from here. But how much lower can you go when it has already, corrected more than 50%? It cannot go to zero unless the company goes bankrupt, right? So this is going to be very interesting overall, but at least in the shorter cycle, we should see further upside still in the shorter cycle. Now, if you look at the extension from March 19 in Tesla here, you notice here we are almost reached the 1.618 extension here. So what that means is that, in fact, if we do have 1.618 extension, it favors the idea that this is a 1, 2, 3. In other words, you're gonna have 4 and a 5, and then before you know it, it may be breaking above the new high again, right? So the market is not as bearish as some want to think it is. If you look at charts like Amazon, it has already broken to new all-time high above the COVID-19 sell-off. If you take a look at Netflix, also it has already broken to new high above the COVID-19 sell-off. So the market is not as what people think it is, very bearish. Maybe in some sectors, but in some like streaming, delivery like Amazon and so on, it remains to be very strong. And Tesla here is also very interesting because now it is looking quite impulsive from the low here, right? So it could possibly end the whole thing and then maybe start the new bullish leg, but still of course needs to break above here to confirm that. Now in the meantime, the shorter cycle still looking impulsive, and so should be looking for the upside well below well above 532.9. all right, so that's the update for today. Hope you enjoy it. Please do like and subscribe. Also, we got a 14 days free trial as well for those of you that want to check our service. I will provide the link in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day to you all.